The outside of this idea will be mostly dependent on the bodywork firm or third-party modifiers that convert from the Toyota Alphard base, as Toyota does not formally produce the Alphard Motorhome as a factory model. Consequently, the Toyota Alphard Motorhome 2025 does not have a standard external design. Nonetheless, we may envision some components and patterns that could be seen in such a conversion, keeping the Alphard's opulence and sophisticated design as the foundation. With the Alphard's sophisticated and roomy boxy design, the Premium MPV Body Shape will continue to be a standout feature. The Alphard's distinctive chrome grille design, which serves as its visual identity, will probably be kept or altered to add a more upscale feel. The Alphard's sleek and contemporary LED bulb design will continue to be a feature of the look. The Alphard's primary convenience feature, automatic sliding doors, will probably be kept in place to make it easier to enter the motorhome's interior. The living room will be more private with dark glass on the second and third rows. Pop-up roof or higher roof to give the inside more headroom and make place for a sleeping area. This roof design will probably try to blend in perfectly with the Alphard's body lines. The installation of bigger side windows or windows specifically for the living space, maybe with an awning or sliding mechanism. In order to give shade outside, retractable awnings will be a typical feature. Most likely, the design will be adapted to the Alphard style. For improved access to the back galley or storage room, if applicable, an extra rear door may be added, or the existing rear door may be modified. To accommodate camping equipment, extra storage compartments are affixed to the sides or back. The design will most likely make an effort to avoid overpowering the Alphard's graceful aspect. Easy access to the upper roof or pop-up area is made possible by a little ladder or built-in step. Thin solar panels might be installed on the Alphard's comparatively flat roof to help charge more batteries. To set the RV model apart, some modifications could include tasteful liveries or graphic decorations. The biggest problem will be to include useful aspects of a camper without sacrificing the Alphard's opulent and sophisticated vibe. Fuel efficiency and aerodynamics may be impacted by the installation of exterior storage boxes or a high roof. High-end components like premium leather for the seats and upholstery, as well as tasteful metal or wood accents, will remain in the cabin. The captain occupies the second row. The primary feature will be plush individual chairs with motorized footrests, reclining, and many comfort levels. It's expected that the back passenger entertainment displays, high-end audio systems, and large infotainment screens will be kept or updated. An opulent and cozy ambience is produced by movable lighting systems. The roomy cabin that Alphard provides is a wonderful starting point for adding campervan options. Seats in the back or other spaces that may be made into cozy bedrooms. If the pop-up roof has been changed, there could additionally be an extra folding bed from the roof. Small kitchen, a compact space for cooking that includes a tiny sink with tanks for clean and dirty water, a small refrigerator or cooler box, and a portable burner, gas or electric. In order to avoid interfering with the Alphard's opulent appearance while not in use, the kitchen design will probably be kept small and concealed. A compact table that can be set up or folded up for working or dining. Small cupboards, drawers beneath the seats, or storage space in the A area are examples of hidden storage that is intended to maintain the opulent appearance. A basic control panel, an inverter to convert DC to AC, and extra batteries to power the campervan's accessories. Window coverings or curtains when camping, for seclusion and to block off light. A portable toilet or a small cassette toilet could be a part of certain bigger adaptations.